Hi guys, just looking to see if I can improve the cooling for the motor in my Barbie boat. Now I've cut open a scoop at the front there, but to be quite honest that's going to have very little effect. I mean, I can open it right up, but we're not going to be moving through the water fast enough for that to actually create much of a draft through to cool the motor. One comment I had was that I'd got the front full of foam anyway, so cutting a hole there wouldn't help. Well, actually the foam doesn't come up into the pink area at all. It's down flat there, so there is quite a gap underneath there, because that's where the battery sits and the ESC and the receiver. The other thing I've just done is I've got some of these little plastic fans. I think they come out of lint removers. They've got no strength. In fact, I broke one just trying to put it in place, broke the vanes off it. But they do happen to be, I think it's 2mm shaft diameter, so it does actually fit on there. And the motor for that propeller will be turning in that direction. Oh, there we go. To go forwards, which is that direction. So that actually means the position there, that will be blowing air back over the motor. So I've tried it and it does create a little bit of a draft. Nothing like as much as a proper aeroplane propeller on the front there would do. But it will blow some air over there. So that might improve the cooling on that one. And for those of you who are sharp-eyed, that's a different motor, being as I burnt out the previous one. That's one of mine, as opposed to one of the ones that I've been given. So that's what we've got now. That one could quite well blow up the ESC that I've got there, because it might draw a little bit more current than the ESC can handle. I just thought that was a simple modification just to see if it would actually do anything. The only thing is I've got to make sure that Barbie doesn't get her leg caught on there. So I have to make sure she sits off to one side. Well, it's not actually Barbie, that one, but never mind. Yeah, so that's just a little short extra. So I did think about having a scoop on the front there, and I did cut it out. I could wedge it open a little bit, but I don't think that'll make any difference. All this area is obviously open, so it's sitting in open air, but there's nothing to physically blow air over it without that little fan there. We'll give it a go. Got nothing to lose. That's cost me nothing, and it fits.
Hey, thanks for watching. There's plenty of videos on my main channel with more added daily, so don't forget to subscribe and enable the notifications to keep you up to date with my new releases. You can help keep my channel running by donating $1 on Patreon to buy me coffee. You can always find more information in the video description. Thanks again for watching.